Hello, what's up? Good morning. Hello, guys and gals. I hope you're having a great day, great morning, or a great night. But for me, it's a great morning. I just woke up a half an hour ago. Got ready, just ready for work. What else can I say? Like, it's just like something normal in everyday life. Just going to work. A bit sleepy. But I have to go to work. Gotta pay those bills. I know I'm not saying anything because I have to concentrate on driving. It's like I can't talk and drive at the same time. It's pretty difficult, to be honest. I see multiple people doing it, but for me, it's pretty hard. This is my third video, It's just, I don't have the capability to do it right now. My goodness, the truck is full of oranges. There's a truck right in front of me. It was lowered to the ground. Probably right there, you can see it. So okay, what can I say? There's a lot of things I want to say, but not really. It's quite complicated. Well, I am wearing a uniform. I'm wearing a uniform of the work that I work on. I wish I had things to do, to be honest. Like, I wish every single day was different. But it's not. It's just a normal day over here. The only pastimes I have is playing video games. Sometimes doing exercise. Going to my grandpa's house. By the way, he's sick, but don't worry, he's still okay. What else? What else do I do in my pastime? Sometimes I watch some movies, sometimes I don't. It depends. It's because I spend money in video games. That's the main reason. Oh, this guy really. He was going way too slow, like 10 miles per hour on a busy road. Like, what in tarnation are you doing? Driving that slow? Oh my gosh, no way. Okay, I do gotta say, this traffic light is very dangerous, like absolutely dangerous. It's so dangerous that oh my goodness, a bunch of accidents happening here. So many accidents. It's super fast. Like, it turns green and then it turns red. Boom, instantly. I'll tell you guys later or where it is. It doesn't even turn yellow. It just turns yellow for a second and then just turns red immediately. It doesn't give you time to react. What else do I... Okay, I want to say about my pastimes. That's what I'm going to talk about. This is all like... No script. I'm not going to do any script in this channel. Guess what? This is the better idea for me. No scripts. No scripts at all. Just raw as it is. I'm gonna start talking about what I like to do in my pastime. My favorite pastimes are video games. I'm just gonna say that, video games on the phone. Like, a bunch of people will be like, "Oh my goodness, that's such. Why you're playing video games on a phone?" There are good games. There are actually good games playing on the phone. I'm not gonna lie. There are very good games, especially on an iPhone. Just have the newest iPhone and you can play most of the games and AAA games as well. And you're gonna have fun like no other. Let's see what else. Like, there's another thing that I like to do, but I don't have time to do, is draw. Generally, I love to draw. If I had enough time, I could draw. I could draw a manga or a comic. My other favorite pastime is watching anime. Easy. Who doesn't like watching anime? There are multiple genres of anime. and comics. You may like it or you may not like it. It depends. It depends on what you like. But I would like to draw. I have so many ideas of drawing. So many of drawing. But I just have to get good and have enough time on my hands to draw. For me, oh, it's painful. It's actually painful. My other favorite pastime is, well, I used to do this a lot when I was a teenager. Walking. I just love to walk all the time, everywhere I go in this city. Of course, I was being cautious, of course, because I knew that the dangers of walking walking in this city is pretty dangerous. But I try to do my due diligence. Bro, what are these people? Why are they driving so slow? I just don't get it. Oh, that's it. I'm going somewhere else then. Let's see. I'm going right here. Oof. Okay. Yep. I'm going over here as well because there's a bus right there. My other favorite pastime is driving. I just love to drive. Like right here, I'm driving right here. I'm enjoying my time. Even though there are dumb people, still love to drive right here. It doesn't matter if I'm driving a motorcycle or an ATV or like any other type of car. I'm still going to enjoy my driving, like legit. Even a trailer, even though I don't know how to drive it, because it takes skill to drive one of those trailers, those 18-wheelers. Yeah, those are very difficult to drive. Why are you stopping there? Oh, okay, never mind. We were just going to his house or her house. My other favorite pastime is learning. Learning, like from the first video that I said, learning a new language. I would love to learn more languages than the ones that I said, like Russian and Japanese. Don't tell me it's flooded. Don't tell me it's flooded. What? It's flooded? Wait, it's not that flooded, is it? Well, this is the main problem of Mexico. It always floods. Oh my goodness. I'm gonna go for it. Oh, wait a minute. I don't know if I should go for it. Oh, I don't know, dude. Okay, let me see. let me check how deep it is. Oh my goodness. Okay, just don't stop. 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 Oh dear God. Oh dear God. Oh dear God. Dear God. Look at this. Look at this. Look at this. Look at this. Oh my gosh. This is the main problem. This is the main issue. This is the main issue. Oh my goodness. Oh no 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 no! Don't tell me. You're gonna have to go to the most deepest part now. Oh dear God. Oh dear God. Just don't stop. Don't stop. Okay. I'm actually quite nervous. I'm not gonna lie. I'm quite nervous. Just don't stop. 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 I'm quite scared. I'm actually quite scared. Oh no. No 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 no! Don't do that! Don't do that! Don't do that! Please don't do that! Oh my goodness! That is actually quite nerve-wracking right there. That is the most terrifying thing about Mexico. You have to be careful. We have. Oh my goodness! That was nerve-wracking right there. I was so nervous. Oh my goodness. So pretty much that was pretty much the end of this video. I hope you liked it. Put a like in there, comment about anything that you like, about anything, like what is your favorite pastime? I really would like to know. And I hope you have a great day, a great night, and a great morning, wherever you are around the world. Legit. Well, see you the next time. Oh my gosh, really? This person, really, bro? I want to park here, and I can't even park here. Brother. Park here because of this person, bro. I want to park here, bro. Don't you understand? Bad drivers. I'm just gonna say it. Bad drivers. Oh my gosh. I'm just gonna say there's some bad drivers. Yeah, I'm gonna say there's some bad drivers. Okay. Oh man, I'm gonna have to blur that out. Oh man, screw myself in that video. Okay, whatever. See you later.